Oh, it's not open yet.
No, you have to open it.
Wow. It's a special way to open this.
Oh, of course. This is very special chocolate.
Flying elephants! My favorite. I always wanted to have a flying elephant. Okay, this is the trick.
Yep.
How to get it open.
Let me see that sparkling package. Oh yeah, it's sparkling.
Okay.
Right, Sue?
What?
Right, Doug?
The chocolate haze.
Okay.
Anticipating chocolate.
Okay, Doug, where's the flute music,
Okay,
fearless
we
flute
have to pass
player?
This around. Ooh, I can't wait to taste this.
Do you have a piece, Mim?
I have a piece.
Okay, and there's the sunset.
Okay. Are we ready?
Okay, Doug, where's your chocolate, Doug? Fearless flute player, where's your chocolate?
Wow.
Which one is this called?
This is the Dark Midnight. Let me see some of that chocolate. I gotta have some too. Ooh, pretty. Look how pretty it looks next to the sunset. Ooh, it's picking up the sunset colors.
It's like raisins.
I think it's currants.
There's my piece of chocolate.
Oh, it's
Isn't it amazing?
Good, huh?
Intense.
These chocolates are just...
Yeah, they keep on going, don't they?
Here, have some more.
The flavor
Can't
keeps
eat
on
just
going.
one, right?
Yeah, I have to have one more a little bit.
And there's the sunset.
I need to get somebody to sit down next to the edge so I can get the bright sunset.
Go on, honey.
Okay, here I go. I'm moving to the edge, moving to the edge, right to the edge. I am on the edge because you know what? I'm fearless.
Yum.
Here, honey, look.
Go ahead, Doug. Sorry.
Can't stop now.
Should I back up?
No, you can't back up. You're on the edge already. Because you know why? You are a fearless flute player. Doug, move away from the edge, please. You're making me nervous.
What happened to Fearless? Oh, Tim, turn around.
Oh.
Turn around. Look at the moon.
Oh my goodness, there's the moon.
Woo! Watch, don't get in the slippery stuff.
Okay.
Oh, that's right. You have a little heavenly hill there. Some zephyrs.
There's the moon.
A little fuzzed out.
Yes, it is. There it is.